We're going to do some exponential equation practice for the control test coming up for the grade 11s, and let's just get started. Now, the whole thing with solving exponential equations is you've got to get the base the same. Well, this would be nice if it was just 2 to some power, and this was just 2 to some power. So this is what you do. You have to know that 1 over 2 is really 2 to the minus 1. And that's why 2 to the minus 1 put to the x power is 2 to the minus x. And if you go 32 equals, shift, and then factors, you're going to get that 32 is 2 to the 5th power. Now that the bottoms are exactly the same, the only way they can be equal is if the tops are equal to each other. So minus x must equal 5, and x must equal minus 5. And that's it. Now let's just try this question. 1 over x squared. Well, that's x to the minus 2. And the cube root of something means that's the denominator of the fraction. So this is really x to the minus 2 over 3. So that's what that part is. And 4 is 2 squared. That's not too hard. Okay, now you have to know what to do with this. You just turn this fraction upside down and raise both sides to that power. When you raise it over here, you just get x to the 1. And then 2 times 3 over 2, the 2's cancel, but it's negative 3. And 2 to the negative 3 is 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1 over 8. Now the next question, whoops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. The next question you might find kind of difficult, question 3 here. But you can make it pretty easy. You know what you do is you let 2 to the x power equal k. So don't deal with an exponent, just pretend that that's k. So 2x is k, 2x equals k. So we're going to let k equal 2x. Now if you look at this, well that's maybe not so hard. If we multiply every single thing, both sides by k, it cancels here. K times k is k squared, minus 4 times k is minus 4k. Well, let's put it in standard form. We add 4k to both sides, and we've got ourselves an easy trinomial. K times k is k squared, minus 2 times 6 is minus 12, and plus 6k and minus 2k give you 4k. So we get two answers. K is 2 and k is minus 6. Well, that's kind of the whole deal now. Except what was k? K was equal to 2 to the x. Well, 2 to the x equals 2 to the 1, so x must equal 1. The other one is 2 to the x equals minus 6. But that's just not possible because 2 to the x is always a positive number, so there's no solution here. I think I'm just going to leave it on this solution. You'll see that there's a memo here that you can kind of get later on, but you can look in the memo and look at the other way, but this way is pretty easy.